evening. We are Shrineha and Sri Lakshmi from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Data Science C-section. Our subject is operating systems and our topic is machine learning algorithms for real-time social media filtering. So this is basically a filtering that is done on social media so that on very large amounts of content that is generated in the social media, so that proper and relevant content is only posted instead of spreading a lot of harmful information like unnecessary or anything that is spam or anything like that. So to prevent that and to deliver only the required relevant safe content to users, this is that is why we use real-time social media filtering. So machine learning basically will play a really crucial role in this filtering process, so that only proper information is posted. So what happens is this machine learning algorithms that we use, they can analyze what the user is watching or what content they're going through and their behavior, so that filtering can be easier based on what they're watching. So they'll identify the trends and the proper whatever they're watching, and then based on that they'll use some safety measures so that only proper information is spread, and then they will based on their likings they will filter the social media and then post it based on that. So what happens is there are a few types of machine learning algorithms. One is supervised and another one is unsupervised. So basically supervised is more important. It is more trained based on labeled databases, data sets. It is more labeled into categories like anything, even if it is fitness or age or weight or anything, even if you like industries or anything like that. Unsupervised is more like an unlabeled, without any labels. Random information might be placed in the unsupervised learning. So therefore, it is important that the machine learning algorithms will supervise and label the data so that the user can watch whatever they want, or they can get the information based on their needs. The supervised learning techniques, they use more neural networks, that is more used. So they categorize these content like spam and offensive or safe. Like they will categorize all the information based on how it is. Maybe if it is safe information, the algorithms will classify it into safe. If it is not safe or if it is offensive, it is categorized into offensive. If it is spam, it will be classified into spam. So like that, the supervised techniques and these algorithms will classify it so that the user will know what the content must be obtained and what must not. Unsupervised is more like unlabeled. For example, if we take dogs, the labeled classifications might be animals or their weight or their color or etc. But unlabeled, which is like unsupervised learning, it can be like unlabeled, so random content will be posted. But the disadvantage of this is harmful content may be posted during by using unsupervised learning, because it is very random and it is not labeled properly. Sri Lakshmi will take over from here.
There are some challenges in the real-time social media filtering, like high volume, content diversity, real-time processing, evolving trends, misinformation, privacy, regulation, human moderation. These efforts, AI advancements and tools and global collaboration are key to overcome these challenges. Like compiling with varied regional laws can be conflicting. Automated systems still rely on humans for complex cases. Detecting fake news and deep fakes in real time challenging. There are some future trends in the social media filtering. The landscape of social media filtering is evolving rapidly by the technological advancements and changing user expectations. Key future trends include enhancement AI and machine learning integration, adoption of decentralized platforms, emphasis on user privacy and ethical filtering, combating misinformation and deepfakes, personalized and context aware filtering, integration of augmented reality and virtual reality. There are some recent developments in social media filtering and AI, like the Verge Flipboard's Surf app is a big new idea about the future of social media. And ahead of US election, social media sites failing to label AI machine learning embrace the shift to pro social media. The natural language processing techniques are text processing, representation, text classification, and sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, part of speech tagging, dependency parsing, machine translation, text generation, summarization, question answering and chatbots, topic modeling, speech to text and text to speech, sentiment and emotional analysis, information attraction, semantic analysis, understanding the meaning and intent behind words and phrases, extracting structured information such as relationships or facts from unstructured text, detecting emotions or opinions expressed in the text, converting spoken language into the text and text language into the spoken language, discovering abstract topics in a collection of documents, like latent semantic analysis, building questions that answer questions or engage in conversations, producing a summary, summary of a document, extractive or abstractive methods, generating coherent text such as GPT based models, translation text from one language to the another language, example Google Translate, dependency parsing like understanding the grammatical structure and relationships between the words in a sentence, parts of speech tagging means assigning grammatical tags, noun, verb to each word in a sentence, named entity recognition, identifying entities in text such as names, dates, locations, or organizations, text classification and sentiment analysis, classifying text into categories, spam detection, and topic classification, analyzing sentiment, example positive, negative, and neutral, text classification and sentiment analysis, classifying text into categories, spam detection and topic classification, analyzing sentiment like positive, negative, and neutral, text representation, bag of words, TF-IDF, word embedence, contextual embedence, text processing like splitting text into words or sentences, removing comma words like and or the to focus on the meaningful content, reducing words to the basic forms. Natural language processors involves various techniques to analyze, understand, and generate human language. Here are the main techniques. This is the code. To execute this code, we used languages like Python and Streamlit. Streamlit is used to execute the program Python. Let us see the execution for this code. Here we can see the output of the code. Like we can see real-time content filtering with ML-based analysis, like angry, nature, happy, spam, like no detections.
This is the code we've used. We use languages like Python and Streamlit.
Where Streamlit is used to run the program using Python. Let us execute this program. Here is the output of the code. We can see the advanced social media content moderator, real-time content filterings like angry, happy, nature, love, and spam. So this is the output for the code.
Thank you.
Thank you.